Good day. My name is Samuel Kolani. I'm the Director of Public Health in the Ministry of Health, Botswana. On behalf of the Government of Botswana and the Ministry of Health, I want to welcome you to the 8th International African Palliative Care and Allied Services Conference 2025 that is set to take place from the 23rd to the 26th September 2025. The conference brings together palliative care experts, researchers, program managers, and academia, as well as multidisciplinary health professionals, patients with lived experiences of palliative care, advocacy champions, and related allied service providers from the ground from around the world. We are pleased to welcome stakeholders to share their progress and challenges, research findings, and innovations in the development of palliative care in their countries, and to strengthen integration with relevant allied services. The conference will be preceded by the 5th edition of the African Ministers of Health session on palliative care. Thank you for choosing the beautiful nation of Botswana to be your host for the 8th International African Palliative Care and Allied Services Conference of 2025. We are excited and waiting to see you. See you then.